At the turn of the millennium, there were signs. Was there something out there? A higher intelligence? A mysterious force at work? Beyond words? Beyond comprehension? Beyond. What will the new millennium bring? In theory, a shadowy construct fathomed by scientists at their wits' end over the quest for the answer to everything. Beyond time, beyond space, beyond gravity, beyond dimensions we understand. A natural force simply known as Millennium Force. Somewhere, racing along the edge of the time-space continuum in the universe as we know it. It's out there. Millennium Force. The future is riding on it. Gravity knows no force like Millennium Force. A 2-minute 45-second journey through space and beyond. First hill, 310 feet. 310 feet. The drop, 300 feet. Falling towards Earth at 80 degrees. 80 degrees. 92 miles per hour. 92 miles per hour. Next hill, a nearly inverted turn. 169 feet in the air. Then, into the tunnel.